How is it you knew from the start wouldn't give it to moods with his hard talking? Flashback to the first attack, had a matchbook in mind.
Alright, the Oneplus's budget smartphone has been leaking a lot lately. Earlier reports suggested that this smartphone might be called as the Oneplus Z, but the latest emerging leaks proves that there is a slight chance that this smartphone might be called as the Oneplus Nord. This phone will have a 6.55 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display. It is not just any AMOLED display, it is what OnePlus calls as the Fluid AMOLED screen, which is nothing but a display with higher refresh rate. To be exact, the number is gonna be 90Hz. The chipset running the show is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 765G SoC, and this is built on a power-efficient 7nm process architecture. There is a 5G modem integrated with it, so OnePlus Z is definitely gonna be a 5G enabled device. This smartphone is powered by a 4300 mAh battery, which is cool, and what is even cooler is that it supports the same 30 watts fast charger as that of OnePlus 8 Pro, which is called as Warp Charge 30T. This phone was expected to come with a triple camera setup, but the latest leaks says otherwise. It might come with quad cameras at back, but the sensors used in it are not yet confirmed. The 16MP selfie shooter will be held by a center punch hole cutout at the top. The base variant of this phone will have 6GB of RAM, ranging up to 12GB maxed out. At the beginning, the price was expected to be around $400 to $500, but the latest report says that it may be around $300, which when translated to Indian rupees, it may be around 22,000 approx. What do you think about this OnePlus Z? Leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'm Maxwell signing off, and you've been watching Tech Max Z.